have an entire playlist dedicated to how much YouTube pay content creators here on YouTube. From 1 million views to 500,000 to 400,000 here on YouTube. I want to see that content. Go to my playlist on my channel and check it out. So while checking it out, do well to like and subscribe to my channel and drop a comment on the next content you want me to review, how much they're paying a particular content creator or the views and everything. Drop a comment in the comment section and I'll do just that on my next video. But today we're going to be talking about a gaming content and a gaming niche and how much they make on gaming niches. Before we digress, I remember I told you guys in my previous video on how much the least paying content here on YouTube and the highest paying content. And I made a list on the least paying content and gaming content fell into that list. I told you guys that gaming content pays the least here on YouTube. It's one of the low paying niches here on YouTube. I feel like I later advised some people that if you must create a gaming content on YouTube, you must be willing to put out at least 10 to 20 videos per day. Like that way, you at least are generating, even if it's $100 per video, you're generating at least 100. Like the money will come out bulky, right? A finance content that is creating one video per week should not relate to you as a gaming content, because one video per week as a finance content creator can give them up to $500 from just one video. But as a gaming content, I have to post at least 7 videos for you to generate that much money, right? But yes, I came across a gaming channel here on YouTube, and I was opportunity to get their details here on my palm card, and I'm going to give you guys an entire review. So this review is how much YouTube paid a 6K subscriber account here on YouTube in the past 28 days. Remember, it's a gaming niche. First, this particular content creator gathered over 1.1 million views in the last 28 days as a gaming content creator, which is a lot. Let's assume they post 10 videos and they were able to gather 150K, 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 150K. That's good money to make here on YouTube, right? So, gaming content creators out there, if you're watching my content and you're a gaming content creator, please put out more content, put out a lot more content, put a bunch of content here on YouTube. I feel like you should make your content more of a storytelling and probably a visual game and a storytelling. I don't know how to put what I'm saying, but there's this guy on TikTok called Manjali. His gaming content and stories are always sinking, right? So that way people can binge watch while you still make money. You see, that's a very smart move. So Google or go and look for someone who I call Manjali on TikTok. He's a Nigerian content creator entirely, and he plays game, and he won a bunch of awards. So check him out, and yeah, he's a good example of how to create a gaming content to make a lot of money. So this 6K account that is gaming content was able to gather over 107.2 thousand watch hours. Like I said earlier, people that watch gaming or was watching gaming content to the end. Someone like me already, if I watch a gaming content on YouTube or on TikTok, I always watch it to the end because I want to know what happened. I know how you shot the gun, how you did this, how you did that. I want to know it, right? So people always binge watch. So you have a lot of potential to put ads in between, and you get what I'm saying. If you want to learn how to put ads in between, comment section and I'll teach you that. And if you want to know the least paying content and highest paying content on YouTube, check my description box. I dropped all the links there. Check it out and I'll see you guys on more videos. And how much did this account make? That's what we're here for, right? But before that, this account was able to make 5.8 thousand subscribers in the last 28 days. Like they're able to gain 5,000 subscribers in the last 28 days, and I'm not kidding you. They're able to make 5K subscribers. So how much did this channel make? You want to know that, right? Before we continue, how many views does this account averaging on a daily? They post up to 3 videos per day, and the one video got over 18,000 views, and that video got over 219,000 views here on YouTube as a gaming content, and they were able to make over $4.1 thousand in the last 28 days as a gaming content on YouTube. Gaming content creators, I know I did a list saying that you guys are the least paying content on YouTube. That is actually true, but don't take that for granted. You have an edge over finance content creators, tech content creators. Let me tell you guys the edge I have over them. The edge you have as a gaming content creator is that people watch your videos to the end. That means you can put a bunch of ads in between. That's one. Another thing that you have the edge that gaming content creators have over other niches, that people who watch your videos to the end. You have a lot of watch hours if you're looking to go monetized. Another thing is that you can put multiple advertisements, sponsored ads in between. Like a brand might be charging you $100 for just an ad. You can tell them to give you 500 because you can put it at the beginning, in the middle, at the end, and anywhere in the video because you give me content and people will watch it to the end. So you're making more money from ads revenue, making more money from advertisers or sponsor deals, and you're getting a bunch of new subscribers on a daily. So that's the edge you have as a gaming content creator over all these other niches here on YouTube. So use that to your advantage, and I'll see you guys in a different video. Do it to like, give this video a like, do it to subscribe to my videos, and do it to drop a comment of any niche you want me to talk about, how much they pay them, and how much they make per views on YouTube. And I will see you guys on a different video. Like I always say, do it to like, do it to subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on another video.